So, good morning to one and all. We'll start the 2.2 second chapter, second subunit of that one. That is the magnetic circuit connections we are going to consider here. So, actually, in the syllabus, they have mentioned that one magnetic circuit with air gap, series magnetic circuit with air gap, and leakage and fringing. That's it. They have given in the second part of the second unit. But to understand the magnetic series magnetic circuit with air gap, before that we have to consider one simple magnetic circuit we have to consider here. So we have to understand the simple magnetic circuit. All of you, the diagram is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the simple magnetic circuit we are going to consider here now. Simple magnetic circuit here now. See how it is look. It is looks like a circle. It is looking, yes. It's looking
Yes,
like a circle,
Yes,
but
sir.
actual diagram is this. Whatever the outer line is there, it is not a diagram. The diagram is only this one. This is the magnetic circuit diagram we are going to call here now. Magnetic circuit diagram. So in the electrical circuit, we are going to consider some three parts of resistances. We are going to connect one to another. एक R1 एंड से अनदर एंड R2 का अदर एंड टू R3, R3 का अदर एंड टू R1, ऐसा क्लोजर पाथ कनेक्शन करते हैं ना. Series circuit means R1, R2, R3. So same that in the magnetic circuit, some different types of materials with different length and cross-sectional area. We are going to consider, or we are going to connect one material or one type of material to another type of material we are going to call here now. So how we'll connect here now? See here, this is one magnetic circuit, one type of material we are going to consider here now. Is it? It is looks like a, see its area we are going to consider as A1, and its permeability we are going to consider as mu1. We are going to consider the length of this one. I will consider as L1 here now. See, up to here it is there. I have taken extended path. Up to here it is there. I have taken that one extended path. So from this point to this point, that is length of magnetic material 1. This is the magnetic material 1 I have considered, and that length is from here to here. Its magnetic length we are going to consider here. We are going to consider that one as magnetic length. Is it clear? समझ में आ रहा है अभी? So this one is material 1. Another one here. Yeah, material alag hai. So this is the second material. This is the third material is there. Like that, we are using different materials here now. Just a minute. I will show you one more diagram here now. So here I will consider like this. It is one material. Another material I will consider like this. Another material. And the third material I will consider like this. You know, all are different only. The cross sectional area ये थोड़ा मोटा है, इससे थोड़ा कम ये क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया है, इससे थोड़ा कम ये है. सो इट्स इसका लेंथ अलग है, इसका लेंथ अलग है, इसका लेंथ अलग है. How many types of materials we are using? Three shapes are there, means three materials we are using. It may be same material, or its cross sectional area is different and its length is different here now. Like that, here from this point to this point, one material we have used here now. This is one material, and from this point to this point, another material here now. So this is one material, this is second material, and this is the third material. In the circle, see here, its cross sectional area is more here. So comparing with this cross sectional area is very less here now. We can consider this one as cross sectional area here now. Yes, it's very less comparing that one. So comparing to this material, this cross sectional area is less again here. So first material, second material, three materials are there. For all three materials are connected to make the closed path here now. They are connected one to another to make the magnetic circuit or the closed path they have considered here now. So we have to pass the current through that one to produce the flux here. No, we have to instantaneously we have to provide the supply here. No, starting. So we can make the winding to the second material, और ये इधर नहीं, इधर connection कर सकते हैं, इधर connection कर सकते हैं. Anywhere in the complete magnetic circuit you have to make the winding and supply the current to produce the flux. That flux, this underline inside the line दिख रहे हैं ना, ये क्या, this one arrow mark line, that is the flux produced here. We are going to call that one here now. This flux is common for all. इधर भी same flux रहते, ये material को भी same flux रहते, ये material को भी same flux रहते. The flux produced is same in all material, but the length of the first material is different, second material is different, third material is different, and the cross sectional area is different of all materials, and the permeability also different for all materials here. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
कुछ doubt है?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? So this is series magnetic circuits. We are going to call this one. This is the series magnetic material. So this one, whatever ये बहुत सारे लोग कंफ्यूज किधर हो जाते हैं, बाहर का देखा ना, यही सर्कल में सर्कल है ना, यही डायग्राम बोलते हैं. This circle is not at all the diagram for that one. This is the diagram here now. So just to show the length of this material is L1 they have considered. This is the first material, this one second material, and this is the third material we are going to consider here. Now the length of the first material is L1 we are going to consider, and length of the second material is from here to here, that is L2. Length of the third material is L3 we are going to consider here. Now similarly, the cross sectional area of the first material is A1 we have considered here. This is the cross sectional area, and the cross sectional area of the second material is A2. Cross sectional area of third material is A3. So the permeability of the first material is mu1, second material is mu2, third material is mu3. We have to consider here now. We are considering like this. We are considering like this here now. So is it clear? Is it
Yes, sir.
clear? So this is we are going to consider as series magnetic circuit here now. The flux will be same. Flux common रहते all material में, but the length is different, area is different, and permeability will be different in that one. So you take the heading of, so just a minute. I will tell the derivation also. I will explain that one. After that one, you can take that one. After that, you can take that one here. So from the circuit diagram only, I will go to the circuit diagram here now. See, the material one cross sectional area is different, length is different here now. What is the total MMF of the circuit? Total MMF of the circuit, how can we can write down? This current is common for all. Yes. Number of turns also common for all. So Ni we can write down here now. But what is the MMF of this one, and this one here now? So in the comparison of electrical circuit and magnetic circuit, we have considered that one, the voltage drop across total circuit is nothing but individual summation of individual voltage drop. Similarly, the MMF of first one, MMF1 plus MMF2 plus MMF3, it is going to give the total MMF of the circuit here. MMF of the first material is MMF1, MMF of the second material is MMF2, MMF third material is MMF3. So total MMF equal to summation of, means nothing but MMF1 plus MMF2 plus MMF3 we can write down. This is one method of calculating MMF. You can use Ni, you can use HL for this one. Otherwise, so the total MMF equal to here first material, the flux is common here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Flux is common. So total reluctance into flux is nothing but MMF. V equal to IR.
Yes, sir.
MMF equal to reluctance into flux. So MMF equal to S into phi लिख सकते हैं.
Yes,
S
sir.
into phi.
Yes.
S is nothing but reluctance. So S is nothing but total S we are telling that one. But each material it has different reluctance रह सकते हैं इसका. The opposition
Yes,
should be different for different material, but the flux phi is common. You take phi common, the s place में क्या लिखने का, s1 plus s2 plus s3 लिख सकते. Yes, that is also one method.
yes, sir.
So like that we can calculate the mmf of the this series magnetic circuit. So many formulas are there. The first one, the mmf is nothing but ni. We are going to consider number of turns into current equal to st phi. St is nothing but total reluctance. This total reluctance is nothing but summation of individual reluctance. St is nothing but s1 plus s2 s3 into 5 we have kept as it is. So mmf equal to s1 phi plus s2 phi plus s3 phi. He has written here. The textbook they have mentioned here now. Or we can consider total mmf equal to mmf of one, mmf of the second material, and mmf of the third material. This is also correct here now. And the total mmf also can be expressed. We can also express that one. We know that one, mmf equal to hl. hl लिख सकते ना, hl equal to ni. Formulas देखो एक बार. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
the first material field strength is different. First material field strength is different. Second material field strength is different. Roll number 23, 49. Why you peoples will be delay? So each material field strength is different, length is different. So total mmf equal to h1l1 first material plus h2lt second material plus s3l3 third material. We can write like this also. This one, this one, this one. Any method you can use here now. For each material, it is different. We can consider material wise. If h1 is given, length already he has given means this one you calculate. If he has given 5 value, you don't know the s1 value, means by substituting s equal to l divided by mu naught mu r a, like that, this formula, by using this formula you can calculate the st also. Total st we can calculate. Yes. If you are using to calculate mmf of this one, means you have to calculate s1 s2 s3. s1 के लिए l1 divided by mu1 a1, l2 divided by mu2 a2, l3 divided by mu3 a3, like that लिख सकते. So there is no air gap. Air gap is nothing. No air gap means mu naught will be, we are not going to consider for the mu naught here. No, only if the air gap is there, then mu naught mu r aa jate. Mu naught you will not consider here. No, mu naught will be 1 for the other than air material. If air is there, mu naught equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power of -7 use karte. Here iron parts only we are using. All are the iron, steel, aluminum, like that. So only relative permeability we have to use mu1 mu2 mu3, like that. Yes. Where h equal to, suppose l1 you know, you don't know h, you are using this formula. h1 equal to 5 मालूम है, 5 equal to b equal to 5 by a कंसिडर कर सकते, कैलकुलेशन कर सकते. b1 मिल गए. mu naught value already given है, mu1 value. So h1 value you can consider by this one, h2 s3, like this. So total mmf equal to total phi equal to total mmf divided by total reluctance. All formula by rearranging that one, they have written in this one here. So mainly you can consider this formula or this formula here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the heading. Series magnetic circuit. Take the heading, series magnetic circuit. Series magnetic circuit. Next slide. Magnetic circuit composed of various materials. Magnetic circuit composed of various material. Composed of various materials of different permeabilities. permeabilities. Different permeabilities. Full point. Next line. When composite magnetic circuit parts are connected, डबल यूनिटेड कॉमा में लिखो व्हेन composite magnetic circuit parts when composite magnetic circuit parts are connected one after the other one after the other one after the other the circuit is called as series magnetic circuit. The circuit is called as series magnetic circuit. Series magnetic circuit. Full point. Full point. Full point. Next line. Next line लिखो. Consider a circular ring. Consider a circular ring made up of different materials made up of different materials of lengths different materials of lengths L1 of lengths L1 comma L2 and L3 with cross sectional areas A1 comma A2 and A3 A1 comma A2 and A3 with absolute permeabilities mu1 comma mu2 and mu3 with absolute permeabilities mu1 comma mu2 and mu3 as shown in below figure. As shown in below figure. As shown in below figure. Will you take this diagram? This one. ये आउटर सर्कल है ना, वो सर्कल मत ले लो. बाहर का सर्कल है ना, वो मत ले लो. सिर्फ ये this inside this diagram you take. Will you take this diagram? Hello. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Take it.
sir.
Take the diagram first. Over.
No, sir. Wait.
complete, sir.
Completed. Over this one. Inner side लिया, outer layer लिया क्या ये? Length L1, L2, L3. No. See this one dotted line में लिखो, नहीं तो ऐसा arrow mark से लिख सकते हैं. This one it maybe you can write this one as dotted line. This is the flux. So it is related to all the materials. Have you shown this one flux?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The I1, sorry, current I, and these are the number of turns N. We are going to call this one here. And from here to here, that is L1 we have to show here. Somewhere you have to show this one. From this red line to this red line, like this, we have to show L1 somewhere outside, or like this we have to take down now. This is just to the indication of L1 here now. Length of magnetic material 1 they have written completely. You just write L1 here now. Total, इसको arrow mark दिखाओ, L1 लिखो. और from this point, ये point से ये point को एक arrow mark दिखाओ, इसको L2 लिखो. And this point to this point, L3 we have to write down. You have to write down L3. Complete. Okay. So next we'll go for the derivation part. We'll go here. You write down. You write from the magnetic circuit. From the magnetic circuit. From the magnetic circuit. From the magnetic circuit. Total MMF. Total MMF. Total MMF equal to ST phi. ये लिखो, ये NI का प्लेस में MMF लिखो. MMF equal to ST phi equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3, S1 plus S2 plus S3 into phi. Next line. Therefore MMF equal to S1 phi plus S2 phi plus S3 phi. S2 phi plus S1 phi plus S2 phi plus S3 phi. So equal to MMF1 plus MMF2 plus MMF3. इसका नीचे ही लिखो, इसका इक्वल टू इधर लेने का. दिस वन MMF1, MMF2, MMF3. S1 phi का नीचे MMF1 लिखने का, S2 phi का नीचे MMF2, S3 phi का नीचे MMF3. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next line. The total MMF also can be expressed as. The total MMF also can be expressed as total MMF also can be expressed as MMF equal to H1L1 plus H2L2 plus S3L3. H1L1 plus H2L2 plus S3L3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here, इसको लिखा है ना MMF इक्वल टू S15 प्लस S25 प्लस S35. इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 लिखो. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 लिखो इसको. एंड इधर H1L1 H2L2 प्लस H3L3 इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 लिखो. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 लिखो. Next line. Where ST is the total reluctance. Where ST is the total reluctance equal to ST is the total reluctance equal to symbolico. You write S1 plus S2 plus S3. ST is the total reluctance equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 Next line. Next line को इधर equal to का सामने equal to लिखो. You write this one. S1 is nothing. S1 का नीचे L1 divided by mu1 A1. इसका नीचे लिखो. S1 का नीचे L1 divided by mu1 A1 plus ये plus का नीचे plus S2 का नीचे L2 divided by mu2 A2. L2 divided by mu2 A2 plus का नीचे plus S3 का प्लेस में L3 divided by mu3 A3 है. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next line. Where H1 equal to B1 by mu1, comma S2 equal to B2 by mu2 and S3 equal to B3 by mu3. You write this one. Up to here you write down. Up to S3 equal to B3 by mu3. उधर तक लिखो. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next line.
Yes, sir.
Total flux. Next line में लिखो total flux in bracket 5 लिखो. ये इसको total flux bracket में 5 लिखो. इसको bracket में लिख दो. bracket में equal to total flux bracket में 5 equal to total MMF divided by total reluctance. Total MMF divided by total reluctance. Total MMF divided by total reluctance equal to Ni divided by ST and equal to Ni divided by S1 plus S2 plus S3. Up to here you write down. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये diagram थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो. How many types of materials are there? Different materials. 1, 2, 3 materials are there. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose इधर किधर तो मैंने बीच में कट किया है थोड़ा. I will cut somewhere here. No, इसका बीच में है ना, ये दोनों का material joining में कट किया है. That will act as a fourth material. Area will act as a fourth material also. That one we are going to call as series magnetic circuits with air gap. This is whatever we have studied without air gap here. There is no air gap here now. But next point we are going to discuss, that is series magnetic circuit with air gap. You consider. You take the heading. Series magnetic circuit with air gap. With air gap. Take the heading and listen carefully first. Don't take anything. You just listen that one. Okay. Heading लिए.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. Here, this complete form is only one material only we are using here now. This is iron material we are using here now. Complete ring है ना ये. This ring is iron material complete. बीच में क्या किया है, इतना iron material cut किया है इधर. This dark line it is looking here no. It is cutted and removed here no. So it is open now here. ये point से हमको from this point here, from this point say this point open है अभी इधर. So from here to up to here it is iron part only. So it is completely iron part only. So in between the iron is cutted and some air gap is there here. The flux can flow through the air gap also. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
flux is flowing through the air gap is nothing but then it acts as one more material here now. Air is acts as one more material which is connected in series with the iron part here now. Which is connected in series with iron part we are going to consider. So how many types of materials are there now here? Materials कितना type हो गए अभी?
2.
2. Very good. Because एक iron part है उसको और एक gap है. This gap is also one type of material and एक iron and gap. Two materials are connected in series. So for that reason only series magnetic circuit with air gap they have considered here now. और तुमको और चेंज करना है इसको, ये इधर से है ना थोड़ा बड़ा यूज करके और एक मटेरियल ऐड कर सकते हैं इसको, और एक मटेरियल ऐड कर सकते हैं. कितना भी मटेरियल ऐड करो, एक एल्यूमिनियम, एक स्टील, एक कॉपर, लाइक दैट you can different materials you can connect in series with air gap also you consider, means air is also acts as one type of material. You should not neglect this air gap. You have to consider the length of the gap, how much is there, that is Lg you have to add in the while calculating the reluctance here now. The flux phi is same. What is the cross sectional area also you have to consider here. Az we have to consider this one here now. What is the permeability, absolute permeability of air also you have to consider here. Then only it will give the complete answer of total mmf of the circuit here. So only two materials, one iron part, one air gap is there. So the length of the iron part I will consider as Li. Iron hai uske liye Li use kiye. And length of the gap I will consider as Lg here now. This is Li and this is somewhere Ls. Li is there. Sorry, Lg is there. Lg I will consider that one. And the area of this one, cross sectional area of the iron part I will consider as AI consider करता हूँ, और ये cross sectional area of the gap I will consider as AZ I will consider that one. So we have to determine the reluctance of the iron part here now. SI equal to Li, L length divided by permeability into area. So Li divided by mu AI we have to consider. Similarly for the gap also you have to calculate the reluctance. Sg equal to Lg divided by mu naught Az. For the air gap, relative permeability mu r equal to 1. Yes, for the gap mu r equal to 1 रहते ना.
Yes, sir.
Mu r equal to 1 for the gap. For the air or medium it is mu r equal to 1 here now. So only mu naught we are going to consider here now. So Sg equal to Lg divided by St. So summation of Si plus Sg is give the total reluctance of the circuit here now. Total reluctance of the circuit it is going to give. Easily we can calculate the flux calculation कर सकते. Flux equal to mmf divided by reluctance. mmf हमने कैसे calculation करते हैं? mmf equal to ni कर सकते, नहीं है तो h1 l1 hi li plus hg lg HI we have to consider like this. R SI SG calculation होने के बाद into multiplication to 5 here. No, MMF equal to we can write like that. SI plus SG into 5 कर सकते हैं ना? Just a minute, I will write down. I will add the text and I will write down. MMF equal to S into 5. So SI plus SG इसको multiplication into flux. Correct? SI we are going to measure by using formula. SG also we are using this formula. So total MMF equal to SI plus SG equal to flux. Our total reluctance into flux is nothing but MMF. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ST is there here. Total reluctance ST equal to SI plus SG. MMF equal to SI plus SG also. We can tell that one here now. We can write down this formula also. So anywhere here now. So similar, if you understood the series magnetic circuit, then it is very easy to understand the with air gap also. We are considering air as one type of material only here now. So flux can pass through air gap. The flux is passing here now. कभी भी flux लिखने के टाइम dotted line में लिखो, dot 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 लिखने का इसको. Flux you have to write in the dotted line here. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, take down. Consider heading लिया क्या with air gap बोल के.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next line you write down. Consider a ring. Consider a ring. Consider a ring. Consider a ring having mean length of iron. Mean length of iron part. Mean length of iron part as Li. Mean length of iron part as Li. As Li. With the air gap. With the air gap of length Lg. With a air gap of length Lg. With the area of length Lg. Lg. Full point. Full point. Full point. Next line written. We know that. Don't cancel that one. We know that you cancel that one. The reluctance of the iron path is Si. The reluctance of the iron path is Si. The reluctance of the iron path is Si. Si. With a cross-sectional area. AI. Reluctance of iron path is Si with a cross-sectional area AI, and the reluctance of the gap Sg. The reluctance of the gap Sg. The reluctance of the gap Sg. With area of gap is Az. With area of gap is Az. With area of gap Az. As shown in below figure. Full point. You take this diagram now. over over hello
No, sir. Wait. Complete, sir.
okay next line write down total mmf equal to total mmf equal to total mmf equal to total reluctance into flux total reluctance into flux total reluctance into flux total mmf equal to total reluctance into flux total reluctance into flux हो गए
Yes, sir.
उसका नीचे लिखो टोटल एमएमएफ का नीचे एनआई राइट डाउन बिलो टोटल एमएमएफ का नीचे एनआई लिखो इक्वल टू का नीचे इक्वल टू लिखो लिखा है
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इक्वल टू का नीचे इक्वल टू टोटल रिलक्टेंस का प्लेस में एसटी लिखो टोटल रिलक्टेंस का प्लेस में एसटी लिखो और फ्लक्स का नीचे फाई लिखो ओवर
Yes, sir.
ओवर नेक्स्ट लाइन एनआई का नीचे एनआई लिखो और इक्वल टू का नीचे इक्वल टू लिखो नेक्स्ट लाइन ओवर
Yes, sir.
ओके एस टी का प्लेस में है ना एस टी का नीचे एस जी ये सॉरी एस आई प्लस एस जी लिखो एस आई प्लस एस जी ब्रैकेट क्लोज ब्रैकेट में लिखने का एस आई प्लस एस जी यह है ना एस टी का प्लेस में एस आई प्लस एस जी ब्रैकेट में इंटू फाइव लिखने का इंटू फाइव लिखा है
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
उसका नीचे फिर इक्वल टू एस आई फाइव प्लस एस जी फाइव ऐसे लिख दो एस आई फाइव प्लस एस जी फाइव यानी इक्वल टू एस आई फाइव प्लस एस जी फाइव ओवर
Yes, sir.
next line where next line you write down where si equal to where si equal to li divided by mu ai li divided by mu ai li divided by mu ai and sg equal to lg divided by mu naught ag lg divided by mu naught ag mu naught ag mu naught ag next line flux phi equal to flux phi equal to mmf divided by reluctance mmf divided by reluctance mmf divided by reluctance equal to ni divided by st ni divided by st Ni divided by ST. Full point. Full point. Is it clear? The concept is clear for you peoples?
Yes, sir.
Here, suppose while calculating, find the total MMF by MMF बोल दिया ना, Ni calculation किया तो भी total MMF आ जाते, number of turns into current calculation किया तो भी total MMF आ जाते. Next they will ask, suppose SI calculation करना है, so you can use that one here. Total MMF is equal to Ni equal to SI plus SG लिख सकते into 5. 5 calculation करना है तो MMF divided by reluctance. So based on which value you know, according to that you have to use the formula you are know. So 2-3 formula is there for the MMF. HL use कर सकते, NL use कर सकते, S phi use कर सकते. Is nothing but reluctance into flux use कर सकते, number of turns into current use कर सकते, field strength and length use कर सकते. 3 formulas are there for the MMF. Any one formula, which one they have given, according to that you have to use that one. Understood? So we'll take one simple problem. I will give you papers. So I will clear everything. It is actually on magnetic circuit as well as here now. It will comes on magnetic circuit also. Take the question. A coil of 200 turns is wound uniformly. A coil of 200 turns is wound uniformly. A coil of 200 turns is wound uniformly over a wooden ring. Over a wooden ring having a mean circumference of 600 meter, mean circumference of 600 millimeter, 600 millimeter, and a uniform cross sectional area of 500 millimeter square, square, 500 millimeter square, full point. If the current through the coil is 4 ampere, if the current through a coil is 4 ampere, if the current through a coil is 4 ampere, calculate first one, the magnetic field strength. Calculate. First one is the magnetic field strength. B, second one, the flux density. Third one is total flux. Total flux I have to identify here now. So will you solve anyone? किसी को कोई तो सॉल्व कर सकते क्या इसको?
Yes, sir.
Read the question carefully first. First, all of you read the question. Read karo. Then you can proceed for that one. Another 3 minutes are left. Only 3 minutes is there. I will give some hint. We'll solve tomorrow. I will give some hint. See here, a coil of 200 turns is wound uniformly. Number of turns means 200, na? Yes,
sir.
So n
Yes,
is
sir.
given equal to 200. Yes, given data you write down. First solution, given data you have to write down. Given data में n equal to 200 लिखने का. Okay. Uniformly
Yes, sir.
over a wooden ring having a mean circumference means what that is?
Length.
Yes, length of the material we can consider, that is 600 mm is there. 600 L equal to 600 mm equal to 0.6 m meter में लिख सकते तुम. Length is in meter. 0.6 milli means 10 to the power of minus 3. So 600 into 10 to the power minus 3 is 0.6 meter. We can write down here. L equal to 0.6 meter.
Yes.
And uniform cross sectional area 500 millimeter square is there here now. So 500 mm square means 500 into 10 to the power of minus 6 we have to use here now. 500 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. That is A. Huh?
ना ना कुछ नहीं सर
हाँ.
काय नाही
500 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square you have to use. Milli को square किया तो कितना है 3 into 6 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2 is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 it is 10 to the power of minus 6 in. So minus
Yes,
6
sir.
we have to use here. Next, if the current through the coil is 4 ampere, I equal to 4. So calculate the magnetic field strength. The H equal to formula. Which formula you can use here now? This is very important here.
Ni upon L.
N upon L.
Very
Ni
good.
upon L.
दिख रही क्या स्क्रीन दिख रही क्या सोल्यूशन भी दिख रही क्या
No, sir.
No, sir.
नहीं दिख रहा ना ओके एच इक्वल एन आई इक्वल टू एच एल फॉर्मूला मालूम है हमको है ना एन आई इक्वल टू एच एल सो एच इक्वल टू एन आई डिवाइड बाई एल यूज कर सकते हैं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ को नेक्स्ट फ्लक्स डेंसिटी बी इक्वल टू व्हाट बी इक्वल टू म्यू एच है ना मालूम है ना म्यू एच b equal to mu h. So mu r they have not given, we can consider as 1 here, no? And mu equal to mu naught mu r into h. b equal to mu h का formula mu r equal to 1 लिखो, mu naught equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus लिखो, h का already किए वाला है formula, that one we can use that one. Next last one, total flux equal to phi equal to b equal to phi by a है.
Into
b equal to phi by
B
a.
into A.
Phi equal to b into a. Simple formula we can use here now. So by using these all things, we can calculate that one and we'll stop here only. Tomorrow we will discuss this